Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to show some basic animations inside your terminal. By default, if you want to do some animation, it's not there. So inside Python there is a package you can use if you want to do some basic animations. Let's suppose show a loading bar. If you are requesting some data, then you can show some loading bar animation to your user. So the package name is very simple. Let me show you. Simply type here animation. This is the package name. It provides you with these cool little animations you can have inside your terminal. So simply install this, and after installing it, let me show you how to use this. So let me show you the demo here, right here. If you execute the script right here, you will see these animations will appear. This is the first animation, which is the waiting animation. So if you're requesting some data, and then this is a second type of animation, which is ellipse, and then you have the spinner animation which is going on, and this is another animation. So these are different animations supported by this module. So if you're requesting some kind of data, then you can show these animations. So now to get started, first of all you just need to import the modules using the import statement. Then you also need to import the time module, and then we will define a series of functions. So right here we will call these functions in the main function. So one by one I will show you all the functions. So the first one is the simple waiting animation. So you define this by @ and then followed by animation and then simple wait. So this is a simple wait animation. We define the function right here, which will be task with ellipses. So as you can see, in this way you can define this in the form of a function. So we sleep for 5 seconds. So for 5 seconds the animation will happen, and after that the print statement will display. So in this way you can request some API data instead of sleeping for 5 seconds, and then you can print out this. And same, we have the bar animation as well. This is the bar animation. You can see that again we sleep for 5 seconds. Then we have also the spinner animation like this. So these have different methods available for different animations. Then we have the custom wheel animation, so like this. Then we have this another colored animation. So these are different types of animations supported in the terminal. So you can check out their module for more information. If I execute this, you will see. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.